Hey team, welcome back. Today we're reading Passage X, Waiting, from the third text in the Simple Comprehension series. The old woman hated waiting. It made her angry. She stood by the door, keys in hand. It was always like this. They agreed on a time to depart their house, and her husband would be late, looking for his wallet or hat. "Aha!" came a call, followed by footsteps down the stairs toward the front door. "Oh, wait! My wallet!" came another call. The old woman sat down. They would not be leaving soon. Questions. Where is the old woman? What is she waiting for? Why is she angry? Why did the woman sit down? Was this the first time the woman had had to wait? How do you know that? Why does the old woman find waiting to be frustrating? Give 2 reasons. Now let's check the answers. Where is the old woman? The old woman is by the front door, or we could say in a house. Both good answers here. It mentions she stood by the door in the second sentence. What is she waiting for? The woman is waiting for her husband to come to the door. Or you could say her husband to get ready. Why is she angry? Because her husband is taking a long time to get ready. Or you could say her husband is forgetful and has forgotten his wallet. Or perhaps her husband had not gotten ready for the time that they agreed on to leave. Why did the woman sit down? Because she realized they would not be leaving soon. It says so at the end of the last sentence. Or you could say the husband had forgotten his wallet and would take longer to get ready. We hear him say, "Oh wait, my wallet," here. Was this the first time the woman had had to wait? How do you know that? No, it wasn't. The text states it was always like this. Why does the old woman find waiting to be frustrating? Give 2 reasons. A few options here. We could say because they had agreed on a time to depart the house beforehand. It says so in the 4th sentence. Or because the husband often lost his hat or wallet. Or because the husband was always late. Or we could say the old woman hated waiting, which is in the very first sentence. So any 2 of those reasons is good. Thank you for your time. How did you go?